Okay, so Manali, let's proceed ahead with your HR for IUCL. So very brief introduction from your side.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I am Manali Singhal, and I am from Bayana. It's a town in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. I did my BTech in electrical engineering from IIT Aryan in Ahmedabad. It's an autonomous university under government of Gujarat. And in my undergraduation, I did my BTech project on performance analysis of CIGS solar cells, where the main aim was to analyze and optimize the performance of film solar cells by wearing different layers. And we successfully uh, analyzed it actually. And after that, coming to my hobbies, dancing is like my passion. I really love to dance. It actually acts like a food to my soul and makes me really relaxed and feel better about myself. Other than this, teaching has always been my passion. And in my undergraduation also, I actually kind of got opportunity to teach underprivileged children of Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. And for my diligence and hard work also, I got the appreciation certificate for the same. And other than this, if I talk about my family, then my father is a self-employed man, and he's really committed to his work as well as his personal life. And my mother is a homemaker, and in literal meaning, she makes the home because I've never seen someone so hardworking. And even if she is having any kind of overload, then she never complains. So I got that hard work skill from her only. So that's also.
Okay, so Manali, what if you don't get opportunity in your career to work in solar cell or solar domain?
Sorry, sir.
What if you don't get opportunity in career to work on solar cell?
But actually, it's not like I have passion in working in solar cells. So it's only because when I actually learned about it, so it really drove me towards the renewable energy, and it's a wish that I actually want to contribute to the environment a little bit from my side. And I know that it's a really in future also solar cell is having a greatest scope. So I have a wish to work in this field.
You know what is the main limitation of solar energy in India?
So the main limit is only the manufacturing because we are actually seeing that India is only lacking in manufacturing. So still we are importing all kinds of silicon blocks, wafers, and every solar equipment from other countries only like China and USA. So if manufacturing is so weak that we cannot actually rely on something which we are importing so much. So we have to actually
So where do
make
you
our.
think is the problem in manufacturing? Why don't you manufacture?
Sir, I think the people are not skilled enough and India is not giving enough training for because it can actually create so much of employment because solar cell is not only for skilled people, it is for semi-skilled, unskilled, and completely skilled people as well. So if proper trainings will be given, then it will actually excel in this field.
So how do you check out that? Suppose you join IUCL and I make you head of solar division. How you will proceed forward? Tell me.
Sir, I think that first of all, there should be, the basic structure of solar cell is made from semiconductors only. So first of all, the process should be that how semiconductors can be made. So, and how can the solar, it's like a structure only. We have to make different layers and finally we have to assemble them. So other than this, there are installation opportunities as well. So we have to train people that how it can be installed and how it can be maintained and how our youths can take up startup ideas from solar cells as well. And there can be various training centers as well, and we can start some awareness programs for it also, because thin film solar cell is coming in nature and it's kind of very flexible thing because we can put it anywhere on our rooftops. And one thing we can also do, for example, if I'm not I can't afford to put solar cell panel on my roof, so I can give my roof on rent to the government so they can use it for their purpose and I can actually get benefit from that. So there can be a policy like that also.
Okay, tell me something about the national solar mission of the government.
Sir, not I don't know much about the National Solar Mission, but I know about their training programs. So there is
Okay.
one training program of them where it's like around for 600 hours to 90 days, and where they provide free facilities for all the people, but there is an interview for that. So, like they provide all kinds of facilities, food, home, and everything for these days, and they make them skilled for the purpose. But the only problem is that people are not knowing enough about it. It's
Okay, are you aware that there is a graduation in solar engineering or solar science or something like that in India?
no, sir. I don't think it's yet not
Or BTech in
specifically.
renewable energy source?
Not
You have
BTech, but
BTech in electrical engineering, BTech in
yes, sir.
mechanical engineering.
Sir, it is masters in renewable energy. I've heard about, but there is nothing about BTech.
Don't you think there is a need to have BTech in renewable energy sources?
Yes, sir, definitely, sir, because it's the core actually, and if we are not getting it from the core, then we cannot excel in this field.
Why do you
It's,
think BTech is not there in renewable energy source?
sir, because I think BTech consists of a wide area, and the solar cell they take it as a special
I'm not
area.
saying
So
solar
that's
cell, I'm saying renewable energies.
sir, because sir, till now, the people are not actually realizing that the sources are needed to be recycled. They are just, continue following the trend only. But now they are actually realizing, I think that there is a need to actually grow in this field as well.
Okay, tell me now in IOCL, you must have done some kind of analysis. Where do we stand in solar research, solar energy in IOCL?
But, I have read about their Rajasthan wind turbine plant only. So I really, got the idea that what they are actually planning to do, that they are supplying their, they are actually trying to replace their captive power plants from their refineries. So, and they want that they get that energy from solar or wind power plants, and then they will use it in their refineries. So, for example, their Rajasthan wind turbine plant is using to give electricity for hydrogen power plant in Mathura. So they then this hydrogen fuel can be used as an additive or fuel in the refinery. So this is a great process, like you know. So you can use your own renewable energy for your own sector. For example, there is no need for any kind of power plant, so it can actually reduce so much amount of energy in itself.
Okay, so Rajasthan is good place for wind energy or solar energy?
Sir, I think both, sir, but solar energy has, I think, more chances because, Rajasthan is a dry state, and Rajasthan is having area in terms of area. Also, we say that in terms of area, Rajasthan is the largest, and also in terms of sunlight, we get the maximum actually. So that's why the largest solar power plant is actually in India, in Rajasthan only, that is Bhadla power plant. So it's
Okay.
really great in both.
Okay, Manali, what is choreography?
The choreography is actually making someone not actually to dance but to move. That they actually get the music in their soul, and they actually start moving. It's not about any step, it's just about moving.
Okay, I have a question to ask you. Choreographer मैंने normally देखा they're very fat. जबकि choreography तो dance होता है तो उनको तो slim होना चाहिए. Why they're not slim?
Sir, actually, I don't think it's about health. It's actually about the fitness, and it actually about the mood. So energy does not come from being healthy or sorry being fat or being thin. It's actually from within. That that I believe that energy is from within. So and dance is actually energy only. So you are just transmitting your energy. You are just releasing your emotions. It's a way of releasing your emotions.
So what is the difference between exercise and dance?
Sir, exercise, dance is a form
The
of
person who is doing
exercise only.
dance, can he be said to be doing exercise also?
Yes, sir, obviously, sir, the dancing is a kind of exercise only. Only the environment is different. You are actually feeling the music, and you are, purposely trying to move according to that music.
Do you think dance is some trait which a person gets by birth, or he can acquire it also?
No, not really, sir, because I don't know, because I have never danced till my class fourth, but actually I was insomniac, and I was literally can't able to sleep, so that's why I just started it uh, just by seeing some videos and all, and that time after that I never stopped, because it actually really made me fit, and created so much of self confidence in myself, and it actually taken away all kind of terror of stage performance from me. So I can now, so much confidence I have that I can perform anywhere, I can speak up anywhere. So that's only because of dance.
Okay, Manali, let me give you the feedback. So I think it's okay, Manali, you could answer the questions. अपना CV लेके ना word by word उसको revise कर लो सारा. Whatever CV you have written, वहीं से उठा के वो क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछेगा. आपने लेकिन सोलर एनर्जी के बारे में बहुत पॉजिटिवली बोल दिया है कि आई वांट टू वर्क इन दिस फील्ड. दैट यू नीड टू जस्टिफाई, क्योंकि मे बी दे नॉट हैव एनी एक्टिविटी फॉर यू फॉर सोलर एनर्जी. तो बड़े स्ट्रांगली अगर आप बोल देंगे ना, दिस इज द डोमेन आई वुड डेफिनेटली लाइक टू वर्क एंड ऑल, so that reflects lot of interest in you for that particular domain. तो वो बड़े moderately तो आप बोल सकते थे, लेकिन
मतलब हाँ सर, एक्चुअली जो एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट था ना बायोडेटा में, तो उस टाइम मुझे बहुत आइडिया नहीं था कि वो सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड उसमें हमें डालना रहता है. तो मैंने
सोलर एनर्जी हो सकता है एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, लेकिन इतने स्ट्रांगली नहीं हो सकता हो.
नहीं, मैंने सिर्फ रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी का ही डाला था सर. मैंने पर्टिकुलरली सोलर एनर्जी उसमें मेंशन नहीं किया, क्योंकि
आपका लेकिन उसमें तो है, वो तो जो आपने मेरे को भेजा उसमें तो है. If I'm not
बायो
wrong, let me.
बायो एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट में मैंने रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सेक्टर में अपना इंटरेस्ट दिखाया है.
What you send me, उसमें तो ये लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन you're not mentioned there.
IUCL का जो बायोडेटा है उसमें,
IUCL वाले में आपने नहीं लिखा है.
सर IUCL वाला जो बायोडेटा है उसमें एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट में मैंने डाला है कि मैं रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सेक्टर में आगे काम करना चाहूंगी अगर मुझे मौका मिलेगा तो.
ओके
सर, तो मैं इसका जस्टिफिकेशन अगर देना चाहूँ तो मैं ऐसे दे सकती हूँ क्या कि जैसे मैं
you have written that as my BTech project was on solar cell, it really drove me towards renewable energy. If I get chance, I would definitely like to serve in this sector. So promising sector it is, right? Renewable energy sector.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Now suppose they don't have renewable energy domain for you.
नहीं सर, okay, so sir,
and they might ask you, okay, Manali, we don't have any option for renewable energy. We only want to put you in marketing. Actually, when you go for some job, especially like IUCL, which has different business domains, वहाँ पे आप strongly choose ही नहीं हो सकते एक चीज के लिए. You should not be, क्योंकि you never know what they are looking you for.
सर अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है तो मैं क्या रिप्लाई करूँ उसमें?
आप ये बोलेंगे, सर, I believe that when I'm joining IUCL, I'm joining for my career, entire life, next 30-35 years. And I'm very sure at some point of time, we need to think of alternate source of energy also. And at that time, my interest for this will be very helpful for our organization also. This way you have to justify now.
And sir, is there anything I need to change or like other than, reading up my CV and anything?
नहीं, ठीक है, अपना CV आप पढ़ो, और जितने HR मैंने बाकी भी लिए हैं उनको भी थोड़ा गो थ्रू करो. जितना बाकी बच्चों का HR हुआ है, बाकी जो फीडबैक मिल रहा है उसको गो थ्रू करो. बाकी ठीक है, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. यू विल जस्टिफाई दैट. बाकी उसी पे वर्कआउट करो. एंड IUCL का वेबसाइट विजिट करो एंड उसको गो थ्रू करो. राइट?
ओके
ओके मनाली, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सर.